Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. Listen girl, I told you I was gonna be consistent, okay? I meant it. Today I want to show you my quick and easy 15-minute makeup that doesn't even require any complexion products. Now listen, I know you're thinking, girl, first step, have clear skin. Yes, a skincare routine does help in this instance. So if you do need complexion products, if you do need concealer, foundation, skin tint, stay tuned for the next video. Okay, the next makeup tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do that. But for this one, it's super quick, super easy. If you just want to look presentable, you need to run earrings, or you just want to have a fresh looking face while still looking like you did a little something, this video is for you. The first thing I'm going to do is spray a little bit of alcohol, just a little bit, okay, and run it through my brows just so the skincare isn't interfering with my brow products. I want them to have a good hold. I don't want anything slipping and sliding. I want my brow pencil to stick. I know alcohol is a bit taboo to put on your skin, but this is 70% ethyl alcohol, not isopropyl. Not that drying ass isopropyl 91%. No ma'am, get you that 70%. It should be fine because you're just gliding it on your brow hairs. Well, I've been using the Anastasia Brow Wiz lately, not for anything in particular. I kind of just like this shade. What shade is this? Dark brown. I just like this shade. It blends in with my brow hairs the most. If you're wondering why I'm a little bald headed right here, is because when I'm stressed, I pick at my eyebrow hairs. I pick at my eyebrow hairs and my lashes. Fun fact. Recently, I've been using the Sephora collection Fluff and Fix Brow Wax. It actually has a really great hold. Okay, it's kind of soft but still firm, so I just put it backwards into my brows first, and then I'll brush it forward so it really just adheres to my skin very well. I love a good cemented brow hair, okay? I like my brow hair stuck to my face. But also, since we have a very natural look today, I do want it to still remain soft, have a little bit of a soft appearance. But this one actually does have a gray hold. After I brush it backwards, I just brush it forward in the direction in which I would love my hairs to lie. Lately, this makeup look that I'm about to show you has been my go-to. Like, I have had no desire to have on a full beat, but that needs to change, okay? I do not want to lose my skill. I still want to be a baddie. I still want to be able to do a glam makeup look. I just haven't really done one lately. So basically I'm showing you my everyday, my true everyday look, because it's so quick and so easy, but it still makes you look so pretty and put together. After they're brushed up, I like them, they're laying flat. All I do, is brush down the tops so they have that groomed appearance. Y'all know the drill. Y'all know how to do brows. And then I'm just gonna take a Q-tip and remove any brow wax that ended up getting on my skin. So I let this sit so it can solidify and cement down. Next, listen, I have not always been a mascara girl, okay? I'm a press one lash girl, a lash cluster girl, but lately I have been absolutely loving this Ahliyah Cosmetics, or what is this called? Ahliyah? Is it cosmetics? I don't know. This limitless lash mascara. Girl, the way this elongates your lashes, and I pair it with the Lancome Cils XL Booster, love this. I think you'll absolutely start loving mascara again if you use a lash primer. Also, I haven't been picking at my lashes. Yay me. I've just been picking at this brow. I need to stop. I know, just sometimes I just can't help it. If you know, you know. If you do it too, let me know, girl. So first, I'm going to apply the Lancome Cils X Booster. My lashes are thriving right now, so mascara looks so good on my lashes right now. I really need to stop picking at them, but I haven't been picking at them lately, so that's why I'm applying mascara. That's also probably why I've always been more of a lash cluster person, because it hides the fact that I pick at my lashes, but I haven't lately. So I'm going to apply one coat of this, and you kind of have to work quickly because when it dries, mascara doesn't really sit on top of it the best, so you need to apply the mascara when it's still wet. So let me work a little fast. Let me stop talking. Hold one. Okay, that one coat is on. I'm immediately going in with this Ahliyah Limitless Mascara and just applying it right on top. I really love this mascara. It is so good. Like, I know you hear that all the time, but this one really elongates your lashes. You see it immediately. And it's also not drying. It's very, well, you know what? That could be the lash primer that I'm using. It just still feels very soft on your lashes and moisturized once it dries. So it doesn't feel flaky or dry at all. And I'm going to do one coat first and then move on to the next eye. I feel like the mascara is the most time consuming part of this look because I like to do many coats, to get that desired lash look. So I just do one little simple coat, then we're going to move on to the next eye. Fun fact. If you know me for a while, you know I'm pretty ambidextrous when it comes to mascara. I apply my left eye with my left hand, but I'm right-handed. But for some reason, I have to do it with mascara. I just can't reach over to the other eye with the right hand. It just, my mascara ends up being a little, you know, tilted, and I just don't like it. Anywho. Okay, you only need 1 coat of the Cils Booster. Then I just go in. It's crazy that I'm able to do this. I cannot use my left hand for anything else but this. Okay. That's 1 coat. Now I'm just going to switch between each eye and apply however many coats I see fit. I never really count, but once I see my desired look, that's when I know when to stop. Like, I don't know what to tell you. Let the wand guide you. But this mascara separates your lashes really well and elongates them really well. Like, I've never been more impressed with a mascara. You know, it could also be because my lashes are thriving in this moment. But girl, I already want to buy another tube. And as you can see, they are super elongated. Like, they're nearly touching my brows. Like, what the hell? Give me 15 of them right now. Okay, now when my lashes are pretty much almost done, this is when I can, you know, go over with my dominant hand and just do, you know, the last finishing touches. I can't really do it when I'm trying to build up my lash. I don't know, for some reason it just makes my lashes go this way and it just looks a mess. You know, that's not what I want. But yeah, new favorite mascara, the Ahliyah Limitless Lash. It's so good. It elongates them so well. Like, oh my gosh, like, this is my lash? Okay, girl. Then I just take a little bit of my micellar water on a little Q-tip. And then I just clean up the mascara that got on my lid. Like, that is a Mando step, okay? Like, you don't want people to see the mascara on your lids, girl. Clean it up with a Q-tip. After mascara is when I go in and start doing my brows. I just lightly fill them in. This brow shade is just perfect because you can't really tell the difference between this shade and my actual brow hairs. It blends perfectly in, so it gives me the most natural brow look, brow finish. So it just kind of looks like I have effortlessly groomed brows. Plus, it doesn't make it obvious that I filled in, you know, a bald-headed spot. You know, it doesn't make it look obvious I put product there. It just kind of seamlessly blends in, and I love it. I need to get me another one of these. It's hard to come across a brow shade that actually matches your brow hairs, and this one does. And I'm not going to clean up my brows or anything, so I'm going to be very careful to color in the lines, okay? Make sure I only go up and in one direction so it can just look the most natural. And look, can you tell I was bald-headed before? Okay, maybe you can, okay? Not too much, okay? But I think it looks very natural. It looks like my brow, but better. I literally use the lightest hand. This is my good brow, okay? She is always cooperating. I barely even need to put product in this one, but I gotta balance it out. Now we're going in with one of my favorite blushes ever, the NYX Buttermelt, and you know butter. It's like a shimmery coral. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, it looks so good on yellow, olive, deep, medium deep complexions. It's so pretty. I literally apply it straight to bare skin with this Mario brush. I don't know what it's called. It's a dual-ended blush brush. I will find it and link it for you. Don't you fret, don't you worry. But this blush looks so good on the skin. Especially, it's slightly sheer. It's not super pigmented just enough to still look good on bare skin and not look odd, okay? So I literally apply the slightest amount and blend it out, in, out, what up, around town. It just looks so pretty. I love this blush so much. I want 15 of them right now. Like, now this is a very privileged makeup look, okay? It does require pretty much an even complexion. Yes, I know, girl, but I'm gonna show you how to take care of your skin soon, girl. I got you. A skincare video is coming up soon, especially for women in their 30s who want a hydrated, glowing complexion, want plump, firm, supple skin. I got you, girl. This blush is so pretty. Baby, get you this shade. You know butter, okay? It's a shimmery coral. It's so pretty. Literally obsessed. I'm surprised I haven't hit pan yet. I've been digging into this one. Like, something as simple as doing your brows, putting on a little mascara, a little blush, it just makes you look so put together without doing too much. But it looks like you put in more effort than you did. That's what we're going for. And literally the last product is a Fenty lip oil. This one is in Frosted Buns, you know, just to finish off the look. Literally my favorite shade. It's so pretty. I love the lip oil gloss bomb. I love the formula. It's so slick and not sticky. Glides right on. It's that perfect amount of shimmer. It's just so pretty. Fenty Beauty is still one of my absolute favorite brands. And that really done sealed the deal, boo. That was it. That was it. No more products. I literally used about 5 products. So this is my 15-minute, honestly, it could be 10-minute makeup look. I hope you enjoyed. You know, I hope you found some inspo, maybe a new favorite product to try. I will link everything through YouTube Shop. So just click directly through this video if you want to check out any product I used and mentioned. Okay, I think you'll really love the NYX blush. It's so pretty. And the Ahliyah mascara. Girl, get into it. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I literally will see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye.